Welcome, my ladies and gentlemen. Just a quick catch up on what's going on in my little cottage garden. The hedge is looking really nice now. So if I peer through here, got my aqualegias, hanging baskets and my vertical planter. If we come down here, we have the first fuchsia flowers now, just starting to fill out. They'll be flowering in the next few days, which is great. The sun's shining. It is today. It's Thursday, 19th of May. It's 6 o'clock in the evening. It's 20 degrees, it says here. I think it's actually warmer than that. Here's my beautiful perennial geranium that is looking absolutely gorgeous. That thistle needs taking up. Here's my tree lilies, scented. 5 or 6, probably 7 or 8 flower buds on there. Next to beautiful hollyhock, self-seeded. Then we have my white phlox that's also scented there. My lupines are finally flowered. Look at the flowers on those. The flower spike's absolutely amazing. That's the purple variety. I've also got some on the back which are going to be lovely reds and pinks, which are going to be great. Here's my daylily here. Absolutely amazing when they start flowering. Just come down here. If I spin round, just have a look at the rest of the garden from here. Some more hollyhocks here. Some more white phlox. These are my beautiful aqualegias that are just starting to set seed now. Before they actually set seed and dry, I'll chop all the flower stalks down. Look at this with the lily beetle. Ones that haven't been sprayed. Look at the damage there. There's some more beautiful aqualegias. And then we have my lupin here, which is absolutely divine. The bees are absolutely loving it. From flower to flower. If you see that one there. Gently buzzing about. Here's my white carnation. Can't wait till that flowers. Next to some that's a beautiful foxglove. Got a couple of those. Another pink geranium, perennial. Next to that's a poppy there. Papavera somniferum. We come round, some hostas, beautiful. This is a beautiful peony. The ants this time of year absolutely love the sap on here. They go mad for it, you can see there. But these are going to have several flower buds on each stalk. That'll be beautiful. Next to another beautiful aqualegia, columbine. Little lily beetle there. Just see it there, doing its damage. One on the top leaf as well. Got to spare them next few days. I'm not really in the garden for the last few days. I've done my back in actually. So this is the first time I've been out. I'm not looking forward to going in my greenhouse because things haven't been watered for a few days. So things are going to be suffering in there, but I'm going to try and get in there tomorrow. My back's up to it. Beautiful Delphinium, dwarf variety. Just get some flower buds on there. Come round here. I have my hollyhock here that I'm going to cut back. Beautiful peony there, and a beautiful peony at the back there. First flowering one of the year. Absolute beautiful colours. It's beautiful clematis, just getting a flower bud on it now. I've just tied it in further up here. I want it to wrap itself around this tree, so I get some flowers in the tree. Oh, first oriental poppy flower. This is one called Diane Joyce that I've grown from seed. Absolutely amazing. Look at the colours on that. When that opens fully, that is going to be epic. Here's my little wildlife section. Another oriental poppy. This is a double one. Beautiful salmon pink. And then we have some aqualegias, some columbines. Here's my bleeding heart here, just finishing its last flowers. And then we have some Icelandic poppies below there. Here's some forget-me-nots. Next to a beautiful big peony. It's going to be absolutely epic. This is getting ready to flower as well. Building up the flower buds. As you come here, beautiful delphinium. This is grown from seed. So this is the first year I will have actually seen it flower. This was grown last year, spring last year, and it never flowered because I had it in a pot. Next to that, beautiful purple Delphinium, Lupine, sorry. And then we have bearded iris here. These are getting ready for flowering soon. Absolutely epic colours. Next to a beautiful hollyhock. Some aqualeads from columbines. And another lupine here. Another beautiful purple one. We have here, this is called Lucifer, which a Cosmia, which is absolutely great. Next to another bearded iris. At the back of there, some tree lilies, which scent is absolutely divine. Then one of my favourite little corners, got my forget-me-nots, next to my aqualegias. And then we get to the front here with all my pots. So the first one here, this has got begonias. These are beautiful red variety that I got from, I think, Thompson & Morgan last year. So what we're going to do with these is, leaving these in, I've given them a multi-purpose slow release 6-month fertiliser. Just see it in there on the floor, the pot. Then here we have my agapanthus. These are grown from seed 3 years. This is the 3rd year this. I potted this one on, put it a slow release 6-month fertiliser on top. Hopefully we're going to get some flowers off that. I've got 3 petunias around there just to give it a little bit of extra colour. So I'm not being well. It's the first time these pots have been watered for a few days. This one's fine, but this one up here, just see how droopy everything is. It will recover because it's not totally dried out, but it'll take a few days for that to recover now. But this is a petunia that's grown from seed, beautiful variety. You come round here, this has marigolds all the way around with violas, which are absolutely divine. Behind that is a beautiful hosta with some really nice flowers on there. This has a dahlia in the middle from last year, Cafe Olay. So that is going to look really nice. And then agapanthus next to that called Queen Mum. This pot here, this has got 3 or 4 dahlias in it, grown from seed last year. And then another agapanthus, Queen Mum there. Here's my vertical planter. These are from last year. A lot of people say, oh, I didn't realise petunias were perennial. They are, as long as you take them in before the first frost. You grow them on the windowsill, cut them right back, take some cuttings. And these 1, 2, 3, these were all from last year, these. This is Midnight something. Beautiful flowers on those. I forget what colour the flower is on those, but I know they're nice. And the rest have been grown from seed all the way down here. They've got this 6-month slow release fertiliser on top. So all them should be absolutely epic. Then we come round here. We have marigolds, petunias, my wigwam in the centre for my sweet peas. See here, sweet peas are just starting to come through. So I'll just wrap that, pull that down. Just get that wrapped around there. Give you something to hold on to. Also, some wrapped around there. Then we have here some marigolds. And that Cafe Olay dinner plate dahlia is absolutely magnificent when it starts flowering, that dahlia. On the border, these delphiniums are electric blue. This is grown from seed. I'm still looking for a name for that, but something nice, hopefully. And here we have the best clematis in my garden at the moment. Look at the flowers on those, absolutely epic. Let's get round. So you can see these double trebles. These flowers are absolutely outstanding. There's loads of them as well. So yeah, as we come round here, my silver birch tree that I've tied in, stop it going over. As we sit down, this is my other wigwam, my sweet peas. This one is actually starting to get some sweet pea flowers on. If you look there, they're growing up there nicely. This has got lily beetles there, which I don't like. This has got a ring of petunias, some sweet peas. And yeah, that is going to look really nice. When the sweet peas get to the top, then they're all flowering in all centres. It's going to look absolutely epic. Here is the rest of my agapanthus. 3rd year in those growing. If you come round, foxgloves. Yeah, As you can see here, everything's really starting to look nice now. But these clematis, some of my favourite flowers at the moment. If you've got any questions about anything growing in my garden, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.